Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Gia, and today we will be making friendship bracelets. So I have this little thing that I made, which I will teach you, but I don't have any string right now because, well, I'm not stocked up and can't go to the store to get more. So I will just tell you, how to do it and without like showing you, I guess. But yeah. So if you hear music in the background, I'm sorry. That is my brother. My brother's listening to music. So if you just hear it, just blank it out. Um and I will say I'm sorry. Be la 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 la. Um but I didn't post on Tuesday. And I know in my last video I said I would, but I had a lot to do. Like, there is a 1-year-old running around in our house. It's my little sister. Um, it's crazy, nutball. Um, but sometimes my parents can't handle that, so I have to watch her. Like, she's crazy. But so, and plus, it's not a break, okay? We still have homework. We still have classwork, and it's so, I wish I didn't, but we do. So, yeah. Um, But yeah, I had homework and I had to take care of that little weirdo munchkin thing. But yeah, I will get forward to the video. But I will tell you, if you have any cardboard and it's like around, it's fine. Just make sure you have like a hard platform, not like platform, but hard thing to cut. So I have this compostable like cardboard, I guess. You can use regular cardboard or this is very rare, I guess. But there's don't mind that. That's my other brother. But you can have cardboard or compostable cardboard or styrofoam, I guess. Just wouldn't work as well. But I will get ahead of the video. So basically, you have your cardboard or whatever material you'll have, cut it into a circle, then cut eight like slits around the circle. I mean, who doesn't love the word slits, right? Slits. Slits, slits, slits. So make 8 cuts in your circle. Then take seven pieces of string, and then take each string and put it on a cut or a slit, I guess. But then what are you gonna do? There's an empty. Oh, I didn't have enough string. Oh my gosh, what am I gonna do? It's supposed to happen. Don't worry. So basically, that empty piece is what you bring your string to. So I will show you. So basically, you have 8, and let's say this one is the empty, like, slit mark right there. So take the third one from it, take the string out, and then put it in that one. And then now you created another empty one by the one that you just put on the recently empty. So basically take that empty one that you just made and take the third one from that, the third one from that, and take that string to the empty one. Basically, just keep going around. Now that one's empty. Take the third one, put it in the empty, and then twist it. Now that's the empty one. Basically, just keep making that round and round and round, and you will have a friendship bracelet. And then just basically tie it in a knot, and then make sure it has the right arm space. So, again, sorry that this is some Saturday, not Tuesday, but I will try. I will try. If I can't try on Tuesdays, I will reschedule it and I will say in my next video either Saturday or Friday or Sunday or whatever like that. So I'll do that. And if you don't know, my bed used to be right there. There will be a room tour coming up. I don't know when, but it will be coming up. And then I'm pretty sure the next video will be painting something like this, something like that. I will teach you that, and then or slime, making slime. So outro, I guess. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe. Hit that little bell next to the subscribe to get you notified of all my videos. Make sure to like this video, or like I say in every single video, you can like all of them. It doesn't matter, honestly. You can do it. It won't hurt anything. It's fine. Well, thank you for watching. Yeah, thank you for watching. Make sure to, I don't know. Just bye, I guess. See you in my next video. Bright sun. See you in my next video.